Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn off the safety notifications for your headphone. So let's say you're listening on your iPhone to loud music, you get a notification that the noise is too loud. Now, let's turn this off. It's very easy, let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is grab your mobile device and from here head down to the settings. Now, inside the settings I have two options that you have to turn off. The first one is in accessibility, right here. Now from out here we're scrolling all the way down till you find the audio and visual options right in the bottom of our screen. And here you have in the middle of our screen the headphone notifications. Now turn this off, and as you can see here, it gives you a warning. Simply press turn off. Now go back into the settings of your iPhone and scroll up till you find the sound and haptics. Now right here we scroll all the way down again, and here in the bottom of our screen we have the headphone safety. Simply open this up, and here we have the reduce loud audio. Now this will actually turn off the limiter for your headphones, so simply press reduce loud audio, and as you can see right here we have turned off everything that we need. Now from out here everything is gone and you don't have any weird and annoying notifications from Apple. Now I hope this helped you. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.